welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this origami bird designed by me. It's an easy origami. You just need to shape the wings to have a nice effect. This one is made from one square with 15 centimeters. So let's start. This model is made from the bird base. So first we're going to make a bird base. You're going to fold both diagonals. Then turn the paper over and fold it in half. Like this. Unfold it and fold it in half in the other direction. So, now the model is going to look like this. Now make all the folds we made at the same time. So first fold it in half and now make the mountain folds here and here, like this. Right? And flatten the model. Now hold it in this position. This open. Here at the bottom it must be open, and here is the closed. Here it's closed, and now make a fold which is making this side of the paper to the middle line, like this. And do the same thing here. So now turn the model over and repeat this here. So make a fold which is making this side of the paper to the middle line. Like this. So now make a fold which is going along this line here. So fold down the tip and unfold the last folds like this. So now make a valley fold along this line here, but only one layer. So only this layer. Fold up here and make valley folds here and fold this side to the middle line, right? Like this, and fold them to the middle line. Like this. Now fold down here the corner, turn the model over, fold the corner up again, and fold down here the tip, and repeat this here. So make a valley fold here, only the top layer, and fold these two sides to the middle line. And fold down the tip, turn the model over and fold the tip down here too. So now make a fold which is making this line of the paper. So now we have made a bird base. Now make a fold which is making this line of the paper to this line here, like this. And repeat this here. Only one layer, like this. Unfold them. Now hold the model like this and open here and squash this part. You just need to open it and squash it. Like this. Fold the flap back and do the same thing with this one. So open it, carefully squash it. And fold the flap back. Like this. Now fold 2 layers up and make a valley fold along this line here, as much as possible, like this, right? And make a valley fold here and fold back the flap and make a mountain fold here, like this, and flatten the model. This is going to be the wing. Now repeat this with the other wing. So fold back the flap, fold 2 flaps to the side, and fold here as much as possible, and a valley fold here, and mountain fold here, and flatten the model. And fold back the flap, like this. Now turn the model over. Now you can see this is going to be the head, the wings and the tail. So now we are going to make a belly fold, which is making this side of the paper up to the middle line, like this, and open here and squash the paper like this. But here's a triangle which is parallel to here. These 2 sides are parallel, right? Okay. And repeat this to the other side. So the valley fold, open here and squash the model. Like this. So